Victory for the EFF. In its latest sparring with lobby group Afriforum, the latter failed to advance its case that the singing of a struggle song by the political party led to the rise in farm murders.
In the circumstances, the following order is made. 1. The complaint that the first in punch song, open quote, kiss the boer or kill the boer or kiss the farmer, close quote, constitute hate speech and unfair discrimination is dismissed. 2. The complaint that the second song sang, open quote, Bizani E Fire Brigade, close quote, open quote, call the fire brigade, constitute hate speech and unfair discrimination is dismissed. The complainant is to pay the cost of the suit. I hand the judgment.
The court found, among other things, that Afriforum failed to show how the lyrics of the struggle songs contravened the Equality Act or incited violence. The EFF welcomed the judgment.
We're happy that today the judge really confirmed what we've always been saying, that we are an economic emancipation movement that seeks to eradicate poverty, that seeks to emancipate our people from slavery, and then we'll stop at nothing fighting for our people.
Visibly disappointed with the judgment, Afriforum is of the view that this ruling creates a very dangerous precedent. The lobby group charged that there was a disturbing message sent with this judgment. It says it encourages the gruesome murder of a certain group based on their identity.
We are concerned that we live in a political system, in a country, in a legal system where it's quite obvious, or this ruling makes it quite obvious, that when a leader of a political party blatantly and openly romanticizes violence towards minority communities, it's condoned and it's accepted by the courts. And that's something we cannot accept. That's not a symptom or a sign of a free democratic system. That's a sign of an oppressive system.
Freedom Front Plus, whose voters' share is largely in the Afrikaans community, expressed disappointment in the finding, saying that it's unthinkable that one can allow such slogans in South Africa that will create polarization and will not contribute to nation building in the country. Despite the loss, Afriforum is not throwing in the towel yet, as it plans to launch an appeal against the judgment in due course. Canny, Maphanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.